It is very common to include photographs and other images into landscape design drawings, especially when you are presenting some sort of concept. And one of our users has asked for an example of how you put photographs or other images into the design space. It is possible to include images by going Format and then go to Images, and here I have some. That activates the Image Manager. You can also float the Format toolbar and click here, and that takes you to the very same Image Manager. But you can also simply type the command Image and hit Enter. So 3 opportunities to call up that Image Manager. Let's just close it for the moment and come over here. Our notes suggest we'll install hardwood timber screen and to the gateway, to the driveway, and let's see if we can pop an image in there to illustrate how that might work. So we'll pick the image tool and we'll click Add. And in this case, let's imagine we're working for AW Landscape Design, and we've got a series of folders. We've got a photos folder, and we've got a timber screen. So we click it and open it. That puts the image into that image manager, and here we can insert it, delete it, reload it if we happen to get a better version of it, which I suggest we might want to do, but we can insert it and up pops the image manager. So by default, we're specifying its position on the screen and the scale. So I can say OK and click and drag, and in goes our image of a timber gate and screen running across a driveway. Now, I'm not personally in favour of the playing with the dodge around the edge of the image. I'd rather have images that you've taken from previous work showing the concept, but that's not always possible. So at this stage, we have 4 images loaded in this design. Here's another one here. Restore the pergola and add red grapevine for summer colour and shade and so on, again with an image illustrating it. So SheetCAD Plus quite easily manages images in the design environment. We suggest strongly that you create a folder for your landscape design practice, as we did here, and when we went image and we said add, notice we've got AWLD, we have a jobs folder in different years, we have our logos that we need to work with, we have symbols that this practice has developed, and photos that we can pop into all sorts of designs. So we strongly believe it's well worth spending time organizing the folders on your hard disk to manage that process.